Since you guys asked for our delicious ComeKeto garlic bread recipe, Try My Chow will deliver it to you. Guys, it's very simple. Follow me. This is what you need. Mayo, mozzarella cheese, fresh garlic, and oregano. First, in your food processor, you're gonna put your fresh garlic. After, you're gonna mix it. Then, you're gonna put your cheese. Make sure you follow this order. Let's give it another good spin. Now, we're gonna do our mayo. Finally, we're gonna add our oregano. Let's go for another spin here. Ta-da! There you have it. Our ComeKeto garlic bread spread recipe for you to make at home. Now, we're gonna finish it off with some grated Parmesan cheese. This is some extra love here for you guys. But make sure you come visit us too.